PicoScope 7 allows you to display whatever automated measurements you need. Simply click on the measurements, select your source, and add measurements from the wide variety of available options. These will give you min, max, average, deviation, and the number of captures down below. You can change the size of these measurements to show more or less information by clicking that button in the other corner. If you want to spread your measurements out, drag the Measurements tab and it will become its own separate window, which you can also place back into the grid, or you can drag into an entirely different screen. Simple, useful, and does the job. So download and upgrade to PicoScope 7 and get your hands dirty with the automated measurements now.